Dude, get off the roof.
Dude, don't even worry about it,
dude,
bro.
Look at the tiles. Get off the roof. Come on, dude. Oh my gosh, he actually did it.
Throw up.
Dude, get out of the master bedroom, dude. I'm a homeowner now.
Dude, MTV Cribs. Let's give him a little tour.
Alright, E. We are ready to go. Dang, it looks good. Damn, she looked good. She's a little dusty, but you know, she looking pretty good. She's looking aight.
Me?
Yep.
Or her?
We have a swoosh in the left rear. So yeah, not looking too hot. Fun fact actually about this. This is my helmet bag. If you guys do follow like AMA and like stuff and like motocross, the KTM challenge for the kids that race that Supercross on little 50s, I did that in 2008, I believe. Something like way back when. Look, and I still have this helmet bag and I'm still using it. So that's funny. We are going to go to Paris, the track. I actually haven't been there in I don't even know how long. It's been a long minute since I've been there, but we're gonna go there. We can ride the 50 track and the vet track. Joey's gonna go and a bunch of his friends are going, so we're all gonna mess around on pit bikes, I guess. It's gonna be a whole, it's gonna be like pit bike mayhem. So I'm excited, I'm stoked. This is gonna be sick. Let's go, road trip, boys. Road trip.
Running it to the track.
Running it.
Gonna get ourselves a nice little pitter-ish.
So Gavin's actually gonna be behind this camera the entire time, pretty much, doing all the cinematics and
that good jazz.
That good old stuff. So yeah.
Hopefully we just getting bangers left and right.
Up, down, side to side.
Only bangers. You're not even ready.
Take me to your soul.
Oh shoot, we made it, boys. You see that kid right there? The kid doesn't want none. I'm about to race that kid. No, that's at 85.
Oh, 85?
Yeah, but he doesn't want none. He's gonna get
KTMs, 50s, aren't those 2 strokes?
Yeah. Yeah, man, we made it, boys. Shoot, this gives me like flashbacks from when I was like 7 years old. I've been ripping this track for I don't even know how many years. But it's been 2 years since I've been here. No. It's probably been since like 2014 since I've been here. Solid 2014.
What kind of bikes you guys riding today?
KLX 110s. Hey, this reminds me of the good old days. As a little kid, look at this little kid's pissed. Look at, oh no. Hey, nothing better than 50 dads, dude. Straight up. There's literally nothing better than 50 dads. If you guys have been in the moto scene, you know 50 dads. Oh, dude, Dad's pissed. Oh, shoot, Dad is pissed, dude.
Yeah, so we're out here, Zane, Fiona are going to the bathroom, so we thought we'd do a little track walk. So you're looking right here, huge tabletop. Wow, paid 30 bucks for this freaking tabletop right here. They're just looking pretty good though. I mean, it looks like they watered it this time. Little right-hander, a little pool if you ever want to take a dip. How's Dungy, dude? We're literally gonna be riding a track with 12 and 5-year-olds on it.
See that right there? Kills me, man. It's so funny to see parents on the track. 50 days are gold, dude. Look at this kid. Get it, bud? Dude, boost it, dude. Yeah, buddy. Oh, another little kid in it. Homie watched the video, so shout out to you. Thanks for supporting the business.
No, the spring, you cut it off.
You gotta keep the spring on.
Keep the spring off, dude.
No, dude, you don't know what you're talking about. I was a mechanic for 4 years.
Torn down. Look at it, watch this corner, right? You got a spring on, dude, you can tell.
What spring, dude?
Don't worry about it.
You have to keep the spring on because if you don't, then it sputters.
In the 1682, you take the spring off.
No, the 1682 is a different spring.
True.
It's a 1462, that's the spring you want.
Oh! There you go. Okay, dude. There he is, the man, the myth, the legend. Shout out my boy, Noah Staley. Stoke never ends. Go get yourself a shirt if you haven't already. Ain't playing no games out here, dude.
Long time no see.
Alright, so yeah. Literally took the pit bike to a track. This is the funniest time ever. So I don't really know. Have little races or something. Oh!
You're clearing them all?
I hit that table. So did your buddy.
Yeah, that thing's quick.
This kid's got more power than us. On the main track, which is probably a horrible idea, to be honest. Hit like mayhem, dude. Oh, it's so slippery. It's a little sketchy, dude. What's up, dude?
Houston.
Oh, really? Yeah. What's your name?
Isaiah.
Meet you, bro.
Meet you, bro. Go kill it.
Thanks for supporting the viz, dude.
Yes.
Appreciate it. There we go. All right, I'm on the main track. I'm about to hit this big like step up thing. Looks a little sketchy, I'm not gonna lie, but I think this has got enough power to make it. I just racked my nuts, bro.